You do my top. Yeah.
Alright, somebody did something with this. Pushed a button on this damn thing.
I didn't use it.
I didn't.
Is it working now?
Mommy, let's do my samosa.
I'm busy, Steph.
Are you going to be changing these gold things right here? Oh, gold things. Gold things right
I
here.
didn't see anything there.
No.
I'm changing the light in that fan though. That light's gonna come down, get a different light.
Is it an ugly light?
I don't like that light.
I have. How much?
But I'm gonna keep using that for the entryway for carpet to put your shoes on.
Maybe you see this stuff in the bedroom.
Now we'll dig it. Apple cacava.
What?
What's this?
Padding probably, I don't know.
Have little hooks here that like to put things on and you put your blanket there.
You can go way down. You can hide.
Mama.
What?
You can hide
Where's all
here,
that
right?
stuff? Inside that thing.
Just pieces of the stuff there while they put this up.
Is the back up?
Hey, that wooden thing.
There's what?
Up.
The vinyl siding?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, yucky, yucky.
Naomi, I picked Goki's
Mom?
color.
What?
By that window over there in the living room, there was this bug. That's what I saw. Look at Steffi's new dress. Mama! And our new housey house.
Okay, great.
Next.
I'll see ya.
Mama, where